The Supreme Court lifted the injunction from a California federal judge, allowing Trump's February executive order mandating preparations for mass federal layoffs to proceed. The decision passed 8-1. Justice Sotomayor concurred, cautioning that legal review of each agency plan remains unsolved, while Justice Jackson vehemently dissented, warning of legally dubious executive overreach. The order could lead to downsizing across departments like Social Security, Veterans Affairs, and Energy, affecting hundreds of thousands of workers even before the courts decide the legality of individual reduction plans. This brings into question executive authority versus congressional oversight. Supporters argue the president holds authority to manage the executive branch. Opponents stress that sweeping firings and agency restructuring require congressional authorization. There clearly is a separation of powers here. Who holds the power is at debate. This latest ruling expands the precedent for executive power, part of a trend by the Supreme Court to bolster executive authority for President Trump, following decisions on deportations, military bans, and administrative controls. Does this weaken Congress's role in our government? Do you believe that the president should have the authority to fire large numbers of federal workers without congressional approval? What was the purpose of DOGE? And does this impact the quality and reliability of institutions like Social Security and Veterans Affairs? Now, there are certainly proponents here that want President Trump to have a clear path. Let's put aside whether you agree with that or not. My primary focus here is the impact of the Supreme Court. Whereas much of the attention is focused on our leaders and how they govern, the Supreme Court allows these foundational shifts to occur in our nation. And their elections to these positions should not be overlooked. Let me know your thoughts.